Alrighty, hey, good evening everyone. Nice to have you on board on this cold Thursday. Saw about anywhere from 1 to 4 inches of snow around the region. Earlier today, looks like the snow's a done deal. Until late Saturday into Sunday, looks like the next chance for some snow. Excuse me. Right now, not a whole lot going on out there. Some clear skies. These are just some very thin clouds out there. You can actually see some of the stars. If you want to go outside, -5 in Great Falls, -6 in Lewistown. Havre, -11 degrees, 9 in Helena. And Missoula at 21, a little bit of wind. You don't need a whole lot of wind. Look at Glasgow, only 8 miles per hour, making it feel like 18 below. Havre, though, feeling like 32 below at times. You know, those winds are up and down. It doesn't matter, though. If you're outside, man, it is cold, cold, cold. So if you're going to go out for that late night jog, just please be careful. Hypothermia and frostbite can really set in quickly when you have wind chills such as these. But other than that, not a whole lot going on around the rest of the West. That disturbance had caused that snow shifting down now, getting out of here. It's in Wyoming right now, and you see the jet stream in kind of a peculiar order here, if you will. But the cold air was allowed to come on back in, which it has with vengeance. And it'll be cold tomorrow, and not a bad day on Thursday. And actually tomorrow, that jet stream will be over the top of us. And remember, the jet stream, it acts like a conveyor belt for moisture and storm systems, but nothing upstream right now. So we could see a little bit of sunshine tomorrow, temperatures in the teens and 20s, and then Saturday not looking bad. We could actually reach the freezing mark on Saturday, but by Sunday, another disturbance upflow will move on into the area, and that's going to give us a chance for some snow. And I talk about the jet stream a lot. The jet stream has so much to do with systems down at ground level. So I'm going to show you what happens because of that disturbance that'll roll by here late Saturday night into Sunday down at ground level. This is what's going down now. High pressure will be situated to the north, okay? And the clockwise flow around high pressure will sponsor an easterly flow. Weak low pressure at ground level down on the lee side of the front ranges down in Wyoming and on to Colorado. The pressure gradient between the two, the counterclockwise flow around the low and the clockwise flow around the high, will sponsor that upslope. Again, air coming from near sea level to about, well, we're 3,500 feet in Great Falls. So you lift air that high, 3,500 feet, it does a lot, and it cools, the moisture gets wrung out, so to speak. And this is a lot of times the way we get snow. And I don't often show you what's going on at ground level because these systems, they really don't affect us directly often. And this is a case, another case of that, of just that going on, as this high pressure will shift south and eastward and bring cold weather to the plains later on in the week. But before it does that, it'll bring us cold air and a pretty good chance for some snow on Sunday. Many areas below zero tonight, and for tomorrow, temps in the teens and 20s. It'll be a decent day coming up, though, anyway. And Rocky Mountain front way below zero for everybody, and temperatures in the teens and low 20s tomorrow. The high line real cold. And remember, wind chills could be near 40 below at times across the high line tonight, where actual temperatures in some areas will be below 20 below. Single digits to the low to mid-teens for tomorrow for the high line. Maybe a little sun from time to time. And the next 7 days, low 20s for tomorrow. And then, hey, we could warm up to near 32 on Saturday. More clouds late in the day. Saturday night into Sunday right now is the next chance for snow. Just how much, it's a little too early to say. But there is a pretty good chance we'll see some accumulating snow. A few inches not out of the question. And then maybe a flurry early into Monday. But, you know, a lot of sunshine the way it looks right now for the early and mid part of next week. And actually, some of the numbers are coming up warmer than what I have there. However, I'm not jumping in with both feet. I want to see, you know, as the days progress, if those numbers pan out. But it does look like it'll be at least sunny next week. But until then, more snow to deal with, perhaps, on Sunday.
More snow.
Oh, it's funny because I have a Westie, so he's a little white dog, and when I let him out to go to the bathroom, unless he's hopping, I lose him because he gets lost in all the snow. It's taller than he is.
Yeah, right. He blends right in with the snow.
He does. So I guess more snow on the way. I'm going to just really have to make sure I'm focusing on where he's at because I've lost him a couple times.
Well, you know, at my age, spring's not far behind. Time goes so fast. That's the way I have to look at it. Huh?
It flies, that's for sure. Ted, thanks so much.
Okay.
All right.